风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。
poi牛了
哦，poi牛要烤肉是不是？
哎，
哇，你一讲我就闻到了那个烤肉香了。You know, during Mid-Autumn Festival, it's a tradition now that you do barbecues, and I love doing that. 其实我每一年都会邀请朋友一起来烤肉。
真的哦？
对啊 ，Alice 今年一定要来哦。Okay, let's teach you barbecuing 烤肉。
poi牛
poi牛 Okay, that means a barbecue. All right, 来我家烤肉吧。Come over to my place to do some barbecue.
來我屋下 poi牛好冇？
來我屋下 poi ngiugఃhomo. Okay, that means come over to my house to do some barbecue. 哇，已經聞到那個烤肉香了，而且街道上真的都是烤肉味啊。On the streets, you can smell the barbecue. 街道上充滿烤肉的香味。
街路香，
街路香，
全係 poi牛嘅香味。
全係 poi牛嘅香味。Okay, that means it's full of barbecue smell across the street, and that is such a true statement. Let's review some of these phrases, including barbecue, 烤肉
poi牛
poi牛, and then all the aroma, 香味
香味。
香味, the smell of it. Delicious. And there you go, another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
是冇大家。
漢字四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.